a hard-hitting press conference, Captain Amarinder Singh said the Chief Minister and his son were trying to throttle the media and the Congress would not allow it. He also spoke on various issues, particularly on media reports that the Badals had monopolized the transport sector as well, and how the government buses are losing out as a result.
ਅਸੀਂ बड़े समय तो 5 साल हो गए ने कहते कि ये ਜਿਹੜੀ PTC channel है, this has monopolized everything. It is owned by the Badals, and it is going against the very concept of free media, freedom of speech. कि ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ जो इस मुल्क से रहने हैं, everyone has a right to project their views and everybody has a right to say what they wish. And ये जरा पंजाब के विच stranglehold आ रहा है. We have gone into this in great detail. Documentary evidence establishes that PTC channels owned by G-Next Media Private Limited are actually owned by the family of Shromani Akali Dal SAD President and Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal. These channels have been direct beneficiaries of state government largesse in the form of advertisements, patronage and exclusive commercial rights for coverage of functions and events organized by the Punjab government since the inception of PTC in 2007, the year SAD BJP formed the state government. Documentary evidence also establishes how the Shromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee, which is dominated by the SAD, has given exclusive telecast rights to live relay of Gurbani without inviting tenders or following any system whatsoever for the past 11 years. Also, PTC channels have been allowed to continue the telecast in spite of payment defaults running into crores of rupees. Some of the shareholders, oblique collaborators of PTC, are also partners in Fastway Transmission Private Limited, which monopolizes Punjab's cable division network. What has been going on in Punjab during the past 4.5 years is a criminal nexus of the Badal family's government and business interests. Besides putting all this in the public domain, we will seek legal remedy. There are 5 aspects of the Badal TV scam. First, the crucial nexus is the present shareholders of PTC, in brackets G-Next Media Private Limited, bracket closed, are Gurbaz Media Private Limited, 74,99,000 shares at the rupees 10, 99.9% of the share total equity. This is Gurbaz Media Private Limited, which owns 74,99,000 shares. Rabindra Narayan owns 500 shares and Raji Meher Shinde owns 500 shares. They are nominal shareholders. Baki, it's all Gurbaz Media Private Limited, which is them. The shareholders of Gurbaz Media Private Limited are Orbit Resorts, 75,09,000 shares at 10 rupees each. Rabindra Narayan 500 shares at 10 rupees each. Rajiv Meher Shinde 500 shares. So all owned by Orbit Resorts. It is common knowledge, corroborated by ownership documents filed under the Companies Act of 1956, that Orbit Resorts is owned by the Badals. Badals don't have Binami interest in PTC as is believed. They own PTC completely and use it as a propaganda tool. This matter will be taken up by us with the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and the Election Commission of India. Preferential treatment. Exclusive commercial telecast rights of all important sports and cultural events were given to PTC channels by the Directorate of Sports, Punjab, which functions under the Ministry of Sports. A portfolio held by Sukhbir Singh Badal. These include World Cup of Kabaddi from April 3rd to April 12, 2010, Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh Punjab Games from February 28 to March 6, 2011, and to provide exclusive television rights. The expression of interest for World Cup Kabaddi 2010 for TV channel partner, as advertised in newspapers, was tailor-made to suit PTC channels, as advertised on February 22, 2010. A turnover of rupees 10 crores on each of 2 years and made mandatory to suit PTC, which came into being in 2007. This is further corroborated by the recent advertisement inviting expression of interest for TV channel partner for the forthcoming second World Kabaddi to Punjab 2011 from November this year 1st to November 20th. The TV channel should have, the clause of the advertisement states how it was tailor-made, that the TV channel should have experience of telecasting live at least one state level sports event in the past 3 years, which they had themselves. This is a condition which only PTC channel fulfilled from amongst the regional channels because of the exclusive telecast rights given to PTC for the last sports, World Cup, etc. Interestingly, in the advertisement for the first World Cup Kabaddi tournament, this clause did not find a mention because PTC channels did not fulfill this condition. Finding the Directorate of Sports, Punjab appears to be hand-in-glove operation benefit PTC under the direction of Sukhbir Singh Badal. Commercializing Gurbani, that मेरा ख्याल तुसी सारे जानते हो कि 11 साल दा इन्हां दा contract चल रहा. I don't know how much amount they are paid, but 2 crores is written here. 2 crores include 1 lakh as a one-time signing, 50 lakhs every year, and 10% of the advertising revenue in India and abroad, accruing from advertisement shown before the telecast of Gurbani. उन्हें Gurbani दी telecast सारे किधर चल रही है. सारे अमेरिका चलो, मलय चलो, यूरोप चलो, anywhere you go, this is going on, so they're getting a portion of that also. The SGPC admittedly made no efforts to recover this amount from the PTC channels, ownership of which is now proved to be that of the Badal family. This we had raised during the SGPC election, and I had given the figures also. I think that 11 crores were due from them, and they are not even taking it back, but they are prolonging this. A pursuit of the RTI application in Extra B shows, I am giving you all these documents, shows advertisements worth rupees 63 lakh made to Fastway Cable Television by the Punjab government up to March 2011. The shareholders of Fastway Transmission Private Limited, which runs Fastway Cable, a local cable network from Ludhiana, include Digi Cable Network India Private Limited, 9,80,000 shares at 10 rupees a share. The promoters of Digi Cable, Jagjit Singh Kohli and Yogesh Shah, are also directors of Fastway Transmissions. Both Kohli and Shah have also been directors of Gurbaz Media Private Limited and G Next Media Private Limited, the companies owning PTC. Finding Fastway Transmissions has been allowed complete monopoly of cable distribution to specifically benefit PTC channels and its own cable TV channels, which includes Fastway News, which do not have the license from the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, since some of the directors of Fastway Transmissions / G Next have been or are the same. The nexus with the Badal is more than obvious. Conclusions. Orbit Resorts, owned by the Badals, is the majority stakeholder in Gurbaz Media Private Limited, which in turn is the major stakeholder in G Next Media Private Limited, with Jagjit Singh Kohli, Yogesh Shah and Majitia family members holding stakes on and off. G Next is the holding company of PTC channels. The Badals, who are in power in Punjab and who control the SGPC, are benefiting their own company, i.e. PTC, through advertisements and exclusive telecast rights for Gurbani. Fastway Transmissions, whose local cable channel has also benefited in spite of having no license from the Union Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and which has a common link with PTC through some of the directors, controls the cable network of PTC, is allowed to monopolize viewing of channels in Punjab and its adjoining areas. Badal TV scam is tantamount to defrauding public exchequer and public trust with criminal intent under the law. Second part is, what is the advertisement scam? According to the information made available by the state government in response to an RTI application in July 2011, the Punjab government has paid 26.5 crores to various media houses including TV stations through advertisements between February 2007 and 2011. Of this, it has paid 66 lakhs to PTC and rupees 63 lakhs to Fastway Cables, a cable operator, a local cable channel operating from Ludhiana. These amounts are paid to on the direction of the Punjab Minister for Information and Public Relations. The portfolio held by the following: Bikram Singh Majitia, March 2007 to 2009, Sukhbir Badal, January 21st to July 2, 2009, Prakash Singh Badal, 2009, July to September, then Sukhbir Badal again, September to October, then Seva Singh Sekhwa, October 2009 to October 2010, and 2010 to present Sukhbir Singh Badal again. While paid advertisements to PTC channels through the Directorate of Public Relations were reduced from end 2009, these continued from various state PSUs, the extent of which will be known after detailed probe and audit. Badals have been giving government advertisements to themselves, which is a criminal and fraudulent action. It is the nexus in the bus business or in the Reta business, that's also coming out, and the liquor business, and also Bajri, and now this, we've been saying this for 5 years, but now we have managed to get all the relevant documents which we would like to give you. We are going to go into the People's Court. Let's be clear about it, that every time you run to the court, it becomes sub judice matter. And then we are denied the right of going. Like yesterday, somebody has gone to this, on this bus business, which the Tribune has been highlighting for the last 4 or 5 days. Now it shuts our mouth up. I mean, what is the point of this? We want to take this to the People's Court. They are the ones who are going to decide our future in the next 4 months. So that is what we want to do. We want to keep this going. Going legal is a later proposition, but at the moment we want to make it